That's real. Remember what you told Daddy this morning? What did you tell Dad?
Be quiet.
You said be quiet, and he said why? And what'd you say?
I don't know.
Why did you tell me to be quiet?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Why though? Why did you tell him to be quiet? What was he doing?
Snoring like. Shh.